Hey viewers! Today we are going to show you how to apply our super popular Voodoo StencilEyes. First, we are going to base the face with your main color. Today we are doing a blue skull. The blank areas will be painted black later on, so we kept them open. Use the stencil as a guide for your contour color. This will make those areas stand out more and add contrast. Gently spray black over the eyes. Watch how my fingers shift around the stencil to make sure edges are held down. Line up this section with the temple. Position the lower half by the mouth with the top section angled towards the ear. Now we're going to darken the edges of the face. Have the model hold their breath as you shade the mouth with black. Soften sharp lines by feathering the edges. Now it's time to add the nose. Line up the teeth with the mouth and make sure they're holding their breath. Overspray is a nice, easy fix. Just fill it in. Now it's time to add highlights. These are the areas you want to stand out. Add some texture with Quickies number 78 cracks. Want to make it UV reactive? Add some ProAiir fluorescent colors. We chose to go with some Flow Yellow. These colors will glow under black light. Isaiah is prepared to scare. Thanks for watching.